Okay, so in today's little workshop here, we're just going to do some of our acceptance testing. So on the right side, I have my tests to run, and then we'll say if they fail or enter. And then we have our website up and running here for Food Express. So we'll just go through this slowly here. So the full description of the first one was, as a customer, I can access the menu from the home page to register for an account or sign into my account. So the first test is the customer can register a new account. We're just going to see if it fails if I enter in some incorrect information. So we're going to register. We'll just call this customer 1. Password. And then we're just not going to put in a phone number. So it is asking us for a phone number. So that first one will say will pass because we do have that set up. So we'll go with the green for that one. Customer can log into an active account. The login works. So let's just put in a number for this test. Sign up. So we did get them logged in there. So let's see if we can log into customer 1. And we are able to log into our account. So that test passed for us as well. All right, we'll move on to the next one. So we'll sign out. So as a customer, I can access the menu from the home page to search for food, drinks, and their prices. So as a customer, I can do a search for food. So we'll go drink. Does not look like the search function's working, so that will be a fail. Customer can do a search. Well, we know the search function isn't working, so that will be a fail. Just to try it as a customer, we can try that out. We'll say we'll search for an iced coffee, as we know that part of the menu right there. And it looks like it fails, so that does fail for us. So as the next one, the customer is able to edit their shopping cart. Remove an item from the shopping cart. So it does not look like that's an option to delete an item. And it looks like we can't delete that either. We can only go up and down, but nothing changes. So the first one is going to be a fail as well. Customer is able to select date and time and expected. They do not even see an option for date and time. So that one's going to end up failing for us as well. All right, so as a manager, I can register for a new account. Will be the next one. So we will sign out as a customer. So we're going to register. So this one, we will just say admin. We'll just use password. The proper spelling for password. admin@gmail.com. And then a phone number. So the manager's logged in. And we do have a manager area which is active to the manager. So that one did pass for us. So we'll go on to the next one here. As a manager, I can log into the account and able to log into the account. So those two actually work together. So those were a pass for us. The next one is as a staff member, they can access the menu from the home page and sign into their account. So they'll be able to, won't register if they're missing information, and then see if they're able to log into an account. So let's log out of manager. Let's register, so we'll say staff 1, and everybody will have the same passwords. It's very secure. So we'll say we won't leave in, we'll leave out the number. We know that doesn't work. Let's see if it works for email, and ask for email as well. So that one we knew does pass for us. So the staff can log into an account. So we will give them an email. Sign up. So they are logged in, they see the menu, and they can go to staff. So there is a staff area, which hasn't been set up, but that's all we needed for this point here. Alright, so as a staff member, I can log into an account. Wrong username, failed to log in. So let's log out. We're going to log in, and let's try staff 2. Password was password. So there is an authentication error. So that's good. That passed for us. So as a staff, I can log in and register hours worked. Able to add hours. Now the staff page was empty. So let's just check that again. Staff 1, password, submit. We'll go into the staff area, and it looks like that area is still not set up, so that test is going to fail for us. So on to our next one. As a staff member, I can edit my orders. Outcome, staff is able to remove items. So as a staff member, I can edit my orders. The expected outcomes, the staff is able to remove items. So we already know that this does not work. We can't remove items. So the top one will fail for us. So as a staff, I can edit my orders. Expected outcome, staff is able to add an item. There is nothing here to allow me to add. I can just up the amount, but that doesn't change the price or anything. So that one will fail for us as well. Alright, so on to the next one. As a customer, so let me sign out as the staff. As a customer, I can see the total expected outcome, the total listed of my correct amount. And the second test is as a customer, I can pay for the expected outcome. I'm able to select cash. So we will log in as customer 1. It's not really great. Customer 1. Password. Okay, let's try this again with a new customer. I might have created a wrong password. So we'll go customer 2, password, customer 2 at gmail.com, and then a telephone number. So I'm able to log in, but I can't add anything to my shopping cart, and I can't see an order. Oh, I can check out. So I do have that option. So I'm not able to select cash, but there are different options for credit card and PayPal. So let's add that here. This part will fail, but I just want to give them a note. Customer is able to select credit card, debit card, PayPal. So the bottom one will say work, but not the top one. But the total listed item, well, there is a total down here for us. So shipping is $299.23. That's that amount there. So it is showing the right amount, just can't edit the amount yet. So I will give them that option because it does look like it is adding the amount on the other page for us. So as a customer, I'm able to view my past orders. It would be under order status, which that is a fail as it's empty. As a customer, I'm able to see the store name. You can see it up top here, but it should be in the order status. So that's a fail. As a customer, I can search for food expected outcomes, search list of food available to order. So we already know this doesn't work because nothing happens when I search. So the top one will be a fail. As a customer, I can search a drink. Unfortunately, we already know the search doesn't work, so I will drop that in. But let's look up food. Sandwich. No, because nothing searches. So as a customer, I can search for food expected outcomes, show a list of all the food and prices. So we know that there is nothing working on the search option for us. We can just browse a menu. So unfortunately, that will fail as well. And then our very last one is, as a customer, I can search for drinks. We know the search function is not working. They had some issues with getting the search function working. So all in all, we passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we failed 15 and passed 11. It's not too bad. We do know that there was some problems with getting everything up and running. So we'll have another team meeting with the team and we'll discuss that out.